Sometimes when humans are in trouble, animals come to the rescue. Here are 60 times animals saved humans.
While this girl was walking her dog, a wild animal attacked her. While she ran away, her brave, tiny dog protected her.
This bear, which probably hadn't eaten for days, came across some humans it thought would be a good meal. However, it wasn't expecting their brave dog to protect them. Although the bear was bigger and stronger than the dog didn't let fear stop it. When this truck driver was attacked by a cheetah, a gang of dogs came to help him. This dog thought this guy was drowning, so without hesitation, it jumped straight into the pool to save him. When this man was being swept away by the river, an elephant came to the rescue and saved the man. This proves elephants are one of the smartest animals on Earth.
When a young boy fell into the gorilla enclosure, everyone was afraid the gorillas would hurt him. Surprisingly though, the gorilla did not hurt the boy. In fact, the gorilla made sure the boy was okay, and it even stayed by his side until the zookeepers came to help the boy. Does this prove that animals aren't the monsters people think they are?
When this inexperienced zookeeper intimidated the lion, it tried to attack him. Fortunately, though, the lioness stopped the lion and calmed it down.
This amazing cat saved this baby from falling down the stairs.
When this snake got its way to a family's home, these two loyal dogs decided to take care of the snake.
This dog saved its owner from an angry goose in the most gentle way possible. Watch this dog stop a tornado from forming. When a kitten got ambushed by some dogs, its fearless mother came to protect it. When this guy saw this snake, he couldn't get to the other side, so his dog came and moved the snake out of the way. This guy was having a good time outside until he saw a bear. He quickly ran away, but his dog stayed and made sure the bear didn't follow him. When a bear wandered into someone's property, the dog chased it away and made sure its family was safe. When this dog's owner fell, the dog didn't know what to do. After some thinking, it came up with a brilliant solution. Here's another dog saving a man from drowning. No wonder they are called a man's best friend. When this fox sneaked into this property to get to the chickens, the dogs wasted no time and quickly alerted the owner before chasing the sneaky fox away. In this video, a fox chases some people who are running for their lives, but then this dog steps in and protects the people. When a dog tried to hurt this boy, his dog made sure to protect him. When this man got injured, his dog couldn't help seeing him like that, so it ran into his arms and made sure he was okay. This snake chose the wrong house to sneak into because these 3 dogs found it and made sure it paid.
When this girl was with the cows, some of them tried to charge at her, but this dog made sure the cows didn't hurt her.
This thief picked the wrong house to steal from, because when he entered the property, he was greeted by 2 dogs that made sure he got out of there screaming like a little girl.
When this dog saw that the fish was struggling to breathe, it tried to save it by giving it water. This dog stood by its injured owner's side until it knew that the owner was fine.
This dog stood in front of the cars to make sure that the kids crossed the road safely.
Watch how this dog helps his owner by helping him push his wheelchair.
When the goat was drowning, a pig, out of all things, came to help it. This dog found the goldfish out of its water, so the smart dog put it back into its water. When a man attempted to steal a bike, this dog stopped the robbery from happening.
This goose wanted to attack a little girl, but the dog stopped it.
When a leopard was about to attack this guy, a tiger stopped the attack from happening.
When a man found himself in a scary situation where 2 coyotes wanted to make him their lunch, his 2 dogs fought the coyotes away and made sure that the man did not get hurt.
This guy was about to steal someone's bike when he was interrupted by this hero dog. When 2 bears went into a person's property, a tiny but brave dog chased away the intruders.
Here's another bike thief who was stopped by a tiny dog gang.
When this woman went to the river to wash her hair, this elephant made sure she wasn't washed away by the river. It even tried to dry her up.
Come to me. Let me help you revive.
Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you later.